Hello students, today we are going to cover the topic rational number under chapter 2. We first talk about introduction. If A and B are two integers, then each of A plus B, A minus B and A into B, it is a integer. Okay, if A and B integer, then A plus B, A minus B and A into B also an integer. However, it is not necessary that A divide B or B divide A also an integer. Take it example, 2 divide 3, it is not an integer, and 3 divide 2. Take another example for addition, 2 plus 3 equal to 5, 2 minus 5 equal to minus 3, 7 into 2 equal to 14. Okay, here 2 by 3 and 3 by 2 are fractions and are said to be form of system of rational numbers. Now we talk about rational number. Rational number. What is rational number? Rational number, if P and Q, P and Q are integers where Q does not equal to 0, then the number of the form P by Q, it's called rational number. For example, 2 by 5 is a rational number as 2 and 5 both integers where 5 does not equal to 0. Remember some rules. First, every integer is a rational number but the converse is not true. For example, listen carefully. Once again, every integer is a rational number but the converse is not true. 5 equal to 5 by 1, it is a rational number as 5 and 1 are integer where 1 does not equal to 0. Any problem? Take another example, 0. 0 by 1. 0 and 1 both are integers where 1 does not equal to 0. And the second rule, every fraction is a rational number but The converse is not true. Every fraction is a rational number, but the converse is not true. Okay? And the third rule, in the rational number, in the form of fraction p by q, p is called the numerator and q is called the denominator. 2/3, it is numerator and it is denominator. The next, positive rational number. A rational number is said to be positive. Positive rational number and negative. Positive rational number and negative rational number. What is positive rational number? A rational number is said to be positive if numerator and denominator both are either positive or negative. For example, 2/3. And take another example, -2 by -3. Minus cancels. So, it is a positive rational number. What is negative rational number? A rational number said to be negative if its numerator and denominator are both positive sign. Listen carefully. If its numerator and denominator are positive sign, not positive sign. Once again, negative rational number is said to be negative if its numerator and denominator are with opposite sign, not positive sign. Sorry for that. Opposite sign. For example, -2/3. It is negative rational number. Take another example, 5 by -6. Okay. And the next, every positive integer is positive rational number. Positive integer, every positive integer. The every positive integer means 5, 6, 7, ... Any positive is a positive rational number because we can write 5 by 1, 6 by 1, 7 by 1 and so on. And every negative integer is negative rational number because -2, -3, -4 we can write -2 by 1, -3 by 1, -4 by 1, so. And listen, 0 is a rational number but it is neither positive or negative. 0, it is not positive or negative. Okay.